Hey family.
Welcome back to the channel. Jason and Gina. Making some greens today. I've been having a craving for some collard greens. These are clean and cut. Gonna put them in my pot. Gonna add some onion powder. Garlic powder. Some celery seed. Usually I use fresh celery, but I didn't have any. The celery seed gives it a nice flavor. I'm gonna add some crushed red pepper. I like my greens with a little kick. Not too much. I can add as they cook. Some sea salt. Not a lot, because again, you can add as you cook. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of baking soda. Why baking soda? Because sometimes collard greens have a bitter taste, and for me, the baking soda cuts that bitterness. You can use baking soda or you can use vinegar. Then I'm gonna add some smoked meat. You can use smoked turkey. I was gonna use turkey, but I didn't have any, so these are some smoked pigtails. I'm gonna add some more collard greens. I'm thinking, should I just make all of them, Jason? What do you think? Okay. So I'm just gonna make all the collard greens because they're gonna cook down to nothing anyway. And we love greens. So we have some left over for the next day. Great. Added all the greens. I'm gonna repeat the seasoning on top. More onion powder. Some more garlic powder. Some more celery seed. And some more of the sea salt. Now when you're cooking your greens, I add like a half a cup of water. Then I'm gonna add a cup of water. You don't want to put too much water because the greens will produce their own water. And there you have it. I'm gonna put these on to boil, and I'll be back, family. For your yellow rice. Stir in the seasoning. You don't have to add extra seasoning to this rice because it is well seasoned.
When it comes to a boil, we'll put the top on and we'll be back, man.
Hey family, I'm gonna make these chicken wings. I'm gonna add some olive oil to the pot. Two tablespoons of honey. I'm gonna add the chicken wings. There's no seasoning on these chicken wings. We're gonna season them after they start to brown. I'm gonna move these chicken wings around. And I'm gonna let them brown until they get a nice golden color. I'll be back, family. Okay, family, those chicken wings have a nice char on them. I'm gonna add the seasoning. This is a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of sea salt, and a half tablespoon of black pepper. I'm gonna mix that in there.
It's so delicious, guys.
I'm gonna turn the fire down a little bit. I'm gonna add 3 garlic cloves. I'm gonna mix that in there. Try to keep stirring it so that garlic doesn't burn. And I'm also gonna add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir that in. It's okay if the bottom of the pan burns a little bit. You just stir it. Ooh.
That's probably full of honey.
Yes. It smells so good. And this is just my own recipe. I'm gonna let these cook for a little while and I'll be back. Ooh, guys, look at those chicken wings. Nice and golden brown. They smell amazing. Now I'm gonna add some beer. Heineken. Any beer you have is fine. I'm gonna pour that over those chicken wings. Turn the fire up a little bit. And I'm gonna let them cook. I'm gonna put a cover on it. I'm gonna let them cook and I'll be back. Family, look at this chicken. It is bubbling in that sauce. These are Gina's Drunken Chicken Wings. Ooh, look at that, guys. And let them cook down some more. And we will be back.
Yes, family.
Hey, family, dinner is done. Ooh. Yellow rice, drunken chicken, and some collard greens with smoked meat.
Yes.
I was craving these items. I made them, and I cannot wait to eat. So it's always good to have you guys join us in the kitchen.
Always, guys.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate all the love and support. And please, please don't forget
To like,
share,
comment,
and subscribe to our channel, Jason and Gina.
Yep. We out, guys.
Later.
Peace.